This one's from your grandma. What is it? They're tools for helping Daddy. It says, totally loved grandson. That's you. Happy Easter. Have fun. Love always, Grandma and Grandpa Ganun. Yeah, see it? Those are your tools. Yeah, Daddy will help you with those. Okay? And what about this stuff? You want to open this stuff for me, Easter Bunny?
What'd you get?
Some garden.
Peter, show me.
Show Daddy.
A shovel and a rake and a watering bucket.
Yeah, it's to play outside. What else is in there?
A flashlight.
Can you show Daddy? Here, turn around. Look over here.
You got a flashlight?
That's what the shovel does. What else did you get? What else is in the basket? Excited for the lawn tools. Peter.
What else is in there?
What's in there? What is that?
Is that a Big Bird book?
Big Bird book. Yeah, Big Bird. Good job. It's a pop-up book. Yeah. What's that? Some flashcards. Woo. Now, Mommy will show you later. What's this thing?
Peter's own little apron, huh?
Apron for helping Mom or Dad. Yay! You silly. Cheese. Say hi, Dad.
Peter.
Uh-oh. Yay!
Happy Easter, Peter.
You want to read your book? Big Bird. Here, Mom, help you. Want to read it? Or no? Busy? Yeah, that's your daddy, I know. This one, here's that one. Now you're ready to go help in the garden or in the dirt. Yay! I think that's the favorite gift already. Good job. Want to look at these? The colors. Oh, well, you could rip that apart, I guess. Not supposed to do that, goofball. These are, what's that? Is that baby? Moon. Hat. rip the boxes some more. Hooray!